When people think about representation, they often think about jobs and opportunities. But there is another expectation that is just as important. Projects, roads, water, electricity, schools, health facilities. So the question is, why do some constituencies consistently get projects while others are left behind? The answer is not always funding. Often, it is structure and positioning. First, understand how projects emerge. Most public projects do not appear randomly. They come through budget proposals, ministerial plans, agency programs, intervention frameworks, which means before a project appears in a community, it already exists on paper, in plans, in discussions, within processes. Second, position the constituency within those processes. Through a structured system, legislative aides are already engaging ministries and agencies. Now their role expands. They begin to track upcoming projects, identify intervention windows, understand where decisions are being shaped. Because if you are not present at the planning stage, you may be absent at the implementation stage. Third, engage strategically at the right level. This is where the legislator steps in, engaging ministers, agency heads, project departments. Not randomly, but with information, with clarity, with specific requests tied to real community needs. Because influence is most effective when it is informed. Fourth, align constituency needs with government priorities. Every government has focus areas: agriculture, infrastructure, education, water. The key is to position the constituency within those priorities. To demonstrate that what the government wants to achieve can also be achieved in this constituency, because alignment increases acceptance. Fifth, follow through to implementation. Attracting a project is not the end. Execution matters, monitoring matters, ensuring delivery matters. Because a project on paper does not change lives. A project completed does. Now imagine this system works effectively. Projects are not left to chance. They are tracked, positioned, engaged, followed through. And over time, the constituency begins to change. Visible development, improved infrastructure, better living conditions. This is the difference between waiting for projects and attracting them intentionally. In our next conversation, we'll go deeper. We'll look at why some constituencies consistently outperform others in attracting projects and what lessons can be learned. Because success in representation leaves patterns. This is the representative, exploring ideas that strengthen governance and improves how representation works, one idea at a time.